Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to open our Cinderella Carriage pearl cage. There is a hinge at the bottom, so it will open like a locket. What you need to do is flip it to the back, and usually you can just pull it open, but if you don't want to break your fingernails, just take a pair of household tweezers, gently grasp one of the bars in the back, and just pull it forward, and it opens like a locket. And then you take your pearl. I have some beautiful Tahitian undrilled pearls right here. Pop it in your locket. You could put beads, all kinds of little round gems, but I definitely prefer these beautiful Tahitian pearls. And you just push the locket back closed. So technically this could still pop open, so I always recommend when you're not wearing it, still leave it on your chain. So just take your chain, feed it through the bell, secure your clasp, and there you have a beautiful pearl cage and necklace.